Hello everyone, I'm Janet, your new guide today. Welcome to AIBOTE. We AIBOTE are the leading water purifier manufacturer in China. This is our showroom. These are our tankless under-sink RO systems, and these are the countertop RO systems. Most of them are the top ODM models, and they are very compact and convenient to use. These are our standard carbon block filters. All of the specifications can be customized. This is our warehouse. It is at the 4th floor of the production building, and it covers an area of 13,000 square meters. Our warehouse is equipped with conditioners to keep at a uniform temperature and other equipments to make sure your goods in perfect good condition before shipment. This is our loading area. All air, road, and sea shipments will be completed here. We have a wide variety of products for you, and this is all for today. Welcome your visit to AIBOTE very soon.